Hi, and welcome to Need2Know. The debate between cash and crypto has been raging for a few years, with some proponents favoring one over the other. But who will emerge victorious? Join us to find that out. We're living in the era of digitalization, and with that comes the ever-growing popularity of cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin to Litecoin and Ethereum, these new forms of digital money offer a secure, fast, and easy way to store and transfer value. But for many, the idea of digital money is still foreign, and they prefer the old-fashioned methods, namely cash. So, which one is the king? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the differences between cash and crypto and dive into their respective advantages and disadvantages. Before we reveal all the information, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and smash the bell icon to stay up to date with everything you need to know. With that said, let's begin. If we go back in time, money has followed a long and winding path to arrive at where it is today. At first, it was barter-based, which involved the exchange of goods for other goods. Eventually, precious metals like gold and silver came into the picture. With their discovery, people had something that was both valuable and could be used as a medium of exchange: coins. Eventually, paper money followed and the use of coins faded away. This was a more convenient way to store and transfer value, as it was easier to carry around large amounts of notes instead of carrying heavy metal coins. The value of the paper money was based on its trustworthiness towards the government that issued it. Fast forward to the 21st century and digital money has become the norm. Cryptocurrencies are the latest form of digital money, and they offer a secure, fast, and easy way to store and transfer value. The value of cryptocurrencies is based on its trustworthiness towards the blockchain technology that it runs on. You must be wondering why we moved away from cash and towards crypto. We mean cash has been around for centuries after all, and it works pretty well. But cash has its own limitations and issues that have made it less attractive in terms of transferring value. To start off, cash is susceptible to counterfeiting or theft. It can also be damaged or destroyed easily, and its value can depreciate over time. Moreover, it's not as secure or fast when it comes to transferring value. And let's not forget the fact that it can be inconvenient to carry large amounts of cash. That's where crypto comes in. Cryptocurrencies are secure, and they can be used to transfer value quickly and easily. They're also immune to counterfeiting and theft, and the value of crypto is not dependent on any government or institution. The concept of decentralization also makes it difficult for anyone to manipulate the value of crypto. But is crypto really the king when compared to cash? Let's take a look at pros and cons of each. No matter how you look at it, cash is still the preferred form of payment for many people. It's easy to use, convenient, and widely accepted. You can get cash almost anywhere, and you don't need to worry about technical issues or compatibility. Cash is also the most trusted form of payment. People are familiar with it and feel comfortable carrying it around. It can be used to purchase goods and services without having to worry about being declined or overcharged. For example, when you pay for something in cash, there is no need to worry about the transaction being declined or the merchant charging more than what was agreed upon. There's also no need to worry about the fact that you might be paying more than what is listed due to hidden fees. But cash has its drawbacks. It's difficult to track, and it can be stolen or misused if not properly secured. There are also potential tax and banking issues that need to be considered when handling large amounts of cash. Plus, it can become damaged or destroyed over time due to general wear and tear, making it hard to access in the future. Compared to cash, crypto offers a wide range of advantages, including transparency and decentralization. To put it simply, crypto involves a distributed public ledger that is used to track, store, and transfer digital assets. A ledger is like a record of all transactions that have ever occurred, and it is maintained by a network of computers instead of just one central server. This makes crypto more secure than cash, since there is no central point of failure or potential target for hackers. Moreover, there's no need for third-party financial institutions like banks or credit card companies, which can be expensive and slow down transactions. Some of the potential drawbacks to using crypto include its relatively high volatility, as well as its lack of wide acceptance among certain industries. Since it is still a relatively new form of currency, there is no guarantee that all merchants will accept it or honor its value, which can make it difficult to use in some circumstances. Additionally, since many cryptocurrencies are mined using powerful computers, this requires a lot of energy, which can be seen as an environmental concern. Moreover, the lack of regulations surrounding crypto can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it allows people to take full control over their money without interference from financial institutions or governments. On the other hand, it also leaves them vulnerable to scams and other fraudulent activities, which can make them more susceptible to theft or loss if they're not careful. The future of crypto is uncertain, but its potential is undeniable. As more and more people become educated on the benefits of crypto, it's likely that its use will continue to grow. Additionally, as blockchain technology continues to evolve, so too will the applications for crypto usage in various industries. Ultimately, whether cash or crypto reigns supreme in the end may depend on which offers the most convenience, security, and peace of mind for consumers. However, it's clear that both cash and crypto have their own unique advantages, and so long as people are educated about them both can still be viable options for conducting transactions. As such, rather than declare a definitive king between the two forms of currency, it's more important to simply make sure that everyone is informed of their options and able to make an educated decision. That way, everyone can prosper from the benefits of both cash and crypto as they choose. To sum it up, both cash and crypto have their pros and cons, but it's ultimately up to the individual to determine which is best for them. While there may never be a clear-cut answer as to which reigns supreme, having knowledge of both can help everyone make an informed decision and get the most out of their finances in the long run. In the end, it's all about striking the right balance between convenience and security to ensure that you are getting the most out of your money. We hope this video has helped to shed some light on the differences between cash and crypto, so you can make the best decision for yourself. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.